Hey guys, can I just get you to
Gatra and Gary! Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you with us on an exciting adventure to SeaWorld helicopters on Gold Coast, Brisbane, Australia. We've just arrived at SeaWorld helicopters. Before our flight, we need to check in and watch a short safety briefing.
Mantap.
Six passengers. So let's cover some important safety features and what you need to do before, during and after your flight.
I'm just going to go over your head. And then just drop your arms. Have a couple on feet. Just going to go over your head and lift up your arms. Thank you. Okay, awesome. So there's just seats over here if you just want to chill out there for a moment.
Okay. Hindi ko yan gawin.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Alrighty guys, so I know our safety video shows us popping phones and baskets and all that jazz. We're not going to worry about it. We do just ask though, walking to and from the aircraft, you guys keep phones away. We just need both your hands as free as possible, all attention on us.
The staff are very friendly and explain everything we need to know to make sure everyone has a safe and enjoyable flight. Now it's time to put on our seatbelts and get ready for takeoff.
Perfect.
Cek.
Mau nyanyi Pak?
Oh, kedengaran deh.
Dengeran dong.
Mami.
Apa ya, Dede?
Aduh. The flight felt so smooth and we wish it could have lasted even longer. We're so happy we got to experience this together as a family. Thank you so much for joining us on our SeaWorld helicopter adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. so you won't miss our future family adventures around Australia. Leave us a comment below and tell us, would you like to ride in a helicopter one day? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next adventure. Bye everyone!